What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new geeks tutorial here in rackmedia.com. In today's video I will show you how to know Ray-Ban aviator sunglasses, fake or original. Welcome back. So this is our Ray-Ban. The first thing is that you should have this logo here, which is almost golden shine. It's a little bit used, but it must be there. It must not be too big or too small. Okay. So this concerning the package. Okay. Let's get the glass out. So that's it.
www.rackmedia.com.
Okay, so this is the aviator glass of Ray-Ban. Okay, what is appearing is the logo up here on this eye. This is easy to fake or to reuse it, so this is not the only thing which will help you, or the presence of this logo does not mean that your glasses are original. So, but it must be there if you are using an original one. It must be there. So this is the first thing to notice. The other ones which are difficult to know is, first of all, on this side of the stick you have the reference. Okay, so there must be this reference on the stick. On the other side also you must have. Okay, so on this side you must have the manufacturing country and the name engraved on the stick, Ray-Ban. Okay. Next you need to check the here. So there must be the logo of the RB, as you can see it here. RB, Ray-Ban on this side, and also on the other side. Okay. This is our third hint. The next one is, as you can see it in here, so it is this reference at the top.
www.rackmedia.com.
Ray-Ban, and you have the serial up there. Okay. Next thing to check is which is too difficult to fake or to make, is the logo which is next to the left eye, in which you will find a gray logo which says RB. You can see, notice it here. Yeah, it's difficult to notice, so it is not printed on the outer, neither on the inside. It is within the glass, so it is too difficult to counterfeit. Yeah, that's it. That says it, the RB. Okay. So hope this guide or these tips helped you to notice or to know which glasses are original and which ones are the fake one, and I hope you enjoy your day. Peace.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.